Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about interaction. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about interaction by past. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 3. So if I do first the derivative for the both sides, we have the u equal to 3s squared ds. dv we have e to the power of negative 2s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equal to negative 1 over 2 e to the power of negative 2s. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have negative 1 over 2 s to the power of 3 e to the power of negative 2s. The u multiplied by v. So we have negative sign in here. So you got about positive. And we have 3 over 2. And we have the integration s squared multiplied by e to the power of 2s. Now we continue use integration by parts for this one. But now this is about s squared. This is about 2s. So about this one, we have u multiplied by v. Number 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, you got about 1. Negative with negative in here, you got about positive. And now we have the integration. That's about s e to the power of negative 2s ds. Now we use about integration by parts again. But now this is about s. So this one you got about the s. So for this one, we have u multiplied by v. So we have negative 1 over 2 s e to the power of negative 2s. Because we have the negative sign in here, so you got about positive 1 over 2. And we have the integration e to the power of negative 2s with the s in here. And now the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 e to the power of negative 2s. 1 over 2 multiplied by negative 1 over 2, we have negative 1 over 4 e to the power of negative 2s. And we put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.